Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus class 9 13th chapter surface area and volume. Already 2 exercises are completed. This is 13.3 continuation of the previous class, that is 6th sum. The slant height and base diameter of a conical dome are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of 210 per 100 meter square. So direct question only. Height and base diameter is given. We are asked to find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area. Rate is given. We are asked to find that. So first one is height. Slant height it is given. So slant height is equal to 25 meter. This is L. Slant height is L. That is equal to 25 meter. And then diameter. Diameter is given as 14 meter. So radius will be 14 by 2 is equal to 7 meter. So we are asked to find the curved surface area of this conical dome. So CSA is equal to pi r L. So this is equal to 22 by 7 into r is 7 and slant height is given as 25. Okay, so when we simplify this, 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 25 into 22. So 550. 25 into 2 is 550. So this is equal to 550 meter square. So this is the curved surface area of the conical dome. So CSA of conical dome is 550 meter square. Now we are asked to find the cost of whitewashing. So cost of whitewashing its CSA per 100 meter square is equal to rupees 210 is equal to rupees 210. So therefore cost of whitewashing 550 meter square is equal to 210 into 550 divided by 100. So this is for 100 meter square. So 210 into 550 divided by 100. So this one we will simplify. So 21 into 55. So when we multiply 55 and 21. So 55 1155 we get. 55 1155 rupees. So cost of whitewashing the curved surface area of the conical dome is 1155 rupees. Okay. Next is 7th sum. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 cm and height 24 cm. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. So right circular cone, joker's cap is in a form of a right circular cone. For that the base radius is given as 7 cm and height is given as, that is h is given as 24 cm. We are asked to find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. So actually we need to find the curved surface area. So for finding curved surface area the formula is pi r L. So radius is given as 7 cm. L is not given. That is slant height. What we required it is not given. So for finding that L, this h and r is given. So with the help of this, we will find the slant height first. So L is equal to root of h square plus r square. L is equal to root of h square plus r square. So h square height is given as 24 centimeters. So 24 square plus R, radius is given as 7. So 7 square. We will simplify this. 24 into 24. 24 into 24 is 96. 4 2s are 8. 4. So 6 7s 576. So root of 576 plus 7 7s are 49. So plus 49, if we add, it will be 625. So this is equal to root 625. We know that root 625 is 25 square. So slant height of the cap is 25 centimeter. Now we will substitute this in the formula. So radius is given as 7 centimeter and slant height L is 25 centimeter. So CSA is equal to pi r L. So pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 7 centimeter. Slant height is 25 centimeter. So when we simplify this, 25 into 22. 25 into 22. So when we multiply 25 and 22, 550 we will get. So CSA is 550 centimeter squared. So curved surface area of the joker's cap. One cap is 550 centimeter squared. So CSA of one cap is equal to 550 centimeter squared. So we are asked to find 10 such caps. So CSA of 10 caps is equal to 550 into 10. So 550 into 10 is 5500 centimeter square. So this is the curved surface area of 10 caps. Next sum is, a bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has base diameter of 40 centimeter and height 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cones is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all the cones? So here also base diameter and height is given. Base diameter is equal to 40 centimeter. Since the cost is given as per meter square, we will convert this 40 centimeter to meter square. So this is equal to 40 by 100, that is 0.4 meter. So 40 divided by 100, so we get 0.4 meter. So this is base diameter and height. Height is h. So this is diameter only 0.4. So radius will be 0.4 by 2, that is 0.2 meter. So this is the radius. So height is 1 meter. So since h and r is only given, we will find the slant height for finding the CSA of the cone. So slant height is equal to root of h squared plus r squared. So that is equal to height is 1 squared plus r is 0.2 the whole square. Okay. So this is equal to root of 1 plus 0.2 into 0.2 is, when we multiply this, we will get 0.04. So that is equal to root of 1.04. So in the question itself it is given to take root of 1.04 as 1.02. So we will get the slant height as 1.02 meter. Okay. So now we will find the curved surface area of one cone. So CSA of cone is equal to pi RL is equal to pi RL. So pi we are asked to take it as 3.14 into radius is given as 0.2 meter, 0.2 into Slant height we found it as 1.02. So all these things need to be multiplied. So this one is 3.14 into 0.2 into 1.02. So 1.02 into 0.2. So 2 2s are 4, 0, 2. So here 3 decimal places are there. So 0.204. 0.204. So 3.14 into 0.204 when we multiply, we will get 64056. Here 5 decimal places are there. So we will get 0.64056 meter square. So this is the curved surface area of one cone. So we need to find curved surface area of 50 cones. So CSA of 50 cones is equal to 0.64056 into 50. So this much meter square. We are asked to find the cost. So cost of painting that 50 cones. So cost of painting per meter squared is cost of painting per meter squared is equal to rupees 12. So here cost of painting 0.64056 into 50 meter squared is equal to the whole thing into 12. So 0.64056 into 50 into 12. 0.64056 into 12 5s are 60. So we will get 600 here. So this is equal to 0.64056 into 600. We will get 384,33600. So 5 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 decimal places if we give, we will get the answer as rupees 384 rupees 34 paise. If we round it off, we will get 384 rupees 34 paise. So this is the cost of painting 50 hollow cones with the required measurements. So with this, I am completing today's class. So this exercise 13.3 is over. In the next class, I will be doing the next exercise. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.